the POTS Prime modification to the live mouse trap. The original model I saw said you put some peanut butter in a cup and in a glass, and then you balance a coin on the edge, and so when the mouse goes up in, it reaches up to the peanut butter to grab it, and if it lands like that, the mouse might be able to get out, or it might prevent the mouse from suffocating. If the glass goes totally down, then the mouse could suffocate. This is a modification to that because it seemed like it wasn't working. Used this giant lid and looked for something thin to put it. And this knife came to be perfect because the knife is the trigger point. It's balancing on end, and I sliced the almond there and had it stuck on the blade of the knife, so when the mouse tried to grab it, it flipped and set the trap.